Hi, I'm Barb, and I have a thing I want to show you today on my destiny that you're going to love. All right, because sometimes I'm sewing along and I'm not really sure what the stitch I'm doing can do, but I want to find out and I don't want to go searching through my book. Look what you can do. Come on in here. I have this stitch right here. It's Q15 and it looks like a squiggly stitch. I'm not really sure what that is. I'm going to go into my question mark. I'm going to touch pattern explanation, and that is a background quilting stitch. Look at that. Look how easy and fun that was. All right, what if I'm in buttonholes? There are 15 different buttonholes. How do I know which one I want to stitch? I'm going to touch this one, but I'm not sure if that's the one. I'm going to go into my question mark, my pattern explanation. This one is a buttonhole for heavyweight or thick fabrics. That is what is telling me. So now I don't have to question it. I know what that stitch is for. What if I went to, I'm going to go to a different stitch. I don't really, whoops, almost lost them. Come on down here. Let me go to that one right there. That one says a single diamond overcast. What does that mean? It is a reinforcement and seaming stretch fabric when I'm doing that. That is telling me everything I need to know about that stitch. And I love having that right at my fingertips.